Are you looking for the TOP5 Best Aluminum Laptop Stand? In this video, we will look at some of the TOP5 Best Aluminum Laptop Stand on the market. For more details and price click product link, please check the description below. Before we get started with our video, number 1. Roost Laptop Stand. Our top recommendation for those looking for a collapsible laptop stand is the Roost Laptop Stand. You can easily fold this stand into a travel mode measuring just 1x11/2x13, making it a great fit for those who would like to carry it along in their laptop bag. When it's time to expand it and put it to use, it has 3 different height adjustment options, giving you the optimal view or reach to your laptop. While the Roost offers a reasonable degree of functionality, it doesn't work with thicker laptops. Due to the smaller size of the lower support hooks, we're also a bit wary of its plastic construction. If you're hard on your belongings, you might want to choose a beefier model. It also costs a bit more than some folks may like to pay. However, if you're willing to shell out the money for an adjustable version that folds up into a tiny package, the Roost is a fantastic choice. Number 2. iVoler Adjustable Aluminum. If you need a foldable and affordable laptop stand, check out the iVoler Adjustable Aluminum. We were impressed by its anodized aluminum construction and surprised by how small it can fold up, easily tucking away inside a backpack or laptop bag. In addition to its 6 different angles, this stand's width can be adjusted to accommodate tablets, books, or even cell phones. Although versatile in many ways, the iVoler does not lift your devices up off of your desktop. It merely gives them a tilt. If you need a stand that will lift your laptop off your desk entirely, check out one of the other options. But if you need a collapsible and affordable travel laptop stand with sturdy construction and lots of angle options, this model should be your go-to. Number 3. Nulaxy C5. The Nulaxy C5 is a foldable laptop stand that offers a large degree of adjustability. Not only can you fine-tune the angle of the stand, but the height can also be set anywhere from 2 to 21, with a maximum height that high. The C5 essentially doubles as a standing desk for those looking to improve or change their posture. Despite its wide positioning range, the Nulaxy C5 folds up to be impressively small. It's not quite small enough to slide into a laptop bag, but with folded dimensions of 10.7/8x10/2x21/4, it could easily fit in a duffel bag or desk drawer. The innovative design comes with a few noticeable flaws. The C5 does not feature cable management devices or slots, so your cables will be rather exposed during use. Also, if you're typing on your laptop while it's resting on this device, it will shake around a bit. The higher you have the stand extended, the more it shakes. Despite the drawbacks, we think the C5 is an excellent option for those who desire a laptop stand with a ton of adjustability, especially regarding height. Number 4. Kentevin Adjustable Stand. The Kentevin Adjustable Stand is a foldable laptop stand that has some very useful features. It collapses to be completely flat for instances in which you don't want to use any tilt at all. The 360° pivoting base is perfect for group projects or spinning your screen around to show a video with a friend. Kentevin also thought of designing a folding phone stand into the side of this model to make sure that you are able to view all of your media in one place. The Kentevin Adjustable Stand is not the most stable model that we've gotten our hands on. We found this laptop stand to be a bit wobbly while we were typing on it, which was caused mainly by its flexible plastic construction. Even though this isn't the strongest model on the market, we still think it's a good option for those that are looking for a flat folding stand that rotates 360°. Number 5. Soundance Aluminum Computerizer. If you're looking for a one-piece laptop stand, the Soundance Aluminum Computerizer might be a good choice for you. This model puts your computer screen right at eye level while sitting in most office chairs and aligns well with the height of external monitors. There is ample room between the feet and the stand for storing and organizing odds and ends on your desk. Each one of the support pillars has a slot in it for routing cables to ensure that your workspace stays nice and organized. Unfortunately, we found a couple of substantial flaws with the Soundance Aluminum Computerizer. The model we tested had uneven support arms, which made the entire stand wobbly right from the get-go. Also, because of the lack of torsional support between the arms, the entire stand is a bit flimsy. This isn't a big deal if you're just going to be using the Soundance as an auxiliary stand, but if you need to type on it, this could get very annoying.